Welcome po to Reviewers, a compilation of exam reviewers and item explanations. Consider this question po. Discover the principle involved in the given series and determine the next element. I, K, M, O, and Q. Is it A, R, B, T, C, S, or D, P? Now, to answer this kind of problem, let's look into the relationship po ng mga elements na ibinigay sa ating series or sequence. Let me use a pen here to illustrate that. I, it starts with I and it goes to K. Of course, alphabetically, and yun po ating i-consider kasi nga po letters ito, meron tayong kulang na J dito. In short, from A to K po, isang letter ang kanyang na-skip. That's letter J. That's the same thing with K to M. We skip po letter L. This would mean na sa series na ito, na mga letters I, K, M, O, and Q, possibly, it's a series of skipping one alphabet letter to the other. Same as M to O, we skipped N. Okay? And O to Q, we skipped P. Pag meron po kayong mga item na ganito, considering letters, basically, unlike numbers na pwede pong may common difference or may ibang process, kapag letters po, usually, may mga jumping or skipping lang po ng kanilang mga positions. So, following this, for Q, before we could go to the next element, it should skip the next element, R. And what is the letter after R? The correct answer for this item is letter C, which is S. Because this follows the idea of skipping one letter to get to the other. Again, I to K, we skip po J. K to M, yun po ang L. M to O, that's N. O to Q, P. Then before we go to the next element, we skip R to get S. This is the answer for this item. Once again po, ito po yung reviewers. Don't forget po to subscribe on our channel, like our videos, and if kaya naman po, pakishare na lang din po. And leave a comment po for our future videos improvement. And follow our FB page and stay tuned for more videos. Maraming salamat!